What if I told you that some of the most delicious summer fruits you buy from the market can actually grow right in your own home garden, or even in simple containers? Imagine stepping outside on a warm summer morning and picking fresh strawberries, juicy watermelons, sweet grapes, or even your own mangoes directly from the plant. No chemicals, no expensive store prices, just fresh, organic fruit grown by you. Grown by you. Most people think growing fruit at home is difficult or requires a huge garden.
It's amazing.
But the truth is, many summer fruit plants are surprisingly easy to grow. With just a little sunlight, basic care, and the right plant choice, you can harvest amazing fruits even in small spaces like balconies, terraces, or tiny backyard gardens. In fact, some of these plants grow very fast and start producing fruit much sooner than people expect. And once they start producing, they can give you fresh harvests every summer. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 summer fruit plants you can easily grow at home. These plants are beginner-friendly, productive, and perfect for warm climates. We'll talk about fruits like strawberries, watermelon, mango, lemon, grapes, guava, papaya, pomegranate, muskmelon, and peach. I'll also share simple tips to help these plants grow faster, stay healthy, and produce more fruit. So if you love gardening and want a garden that not only looks beautiful, but also feeds your family with fresh summer fruits, this video is going to be extremely helpful. Let's start with the first fruit plant that almost anyone can grow at home: strawberries. 1. Strawberries are one of the easiest and most rewarding fruits you can grow at home. They grow well in containers, hanging baskets, or small garden beds, which makes them perfect for balconies and small spaces. These plants love sunlight, so choose a spot where they can receive at least 6 hours of sun every day. Use loose, well-draining soil mixed with compost to help the roots grow healthy and strong. Water the plants regularly, but avoid soaking the soil too much because strawberries dislike soggy roots. During the growing season, small white flowers will appear, and soon after that, bright red strawberries begin to develop. One great thing about strawberries is how quickly they produce fruit. Many varieties can start giving fruit within a few months. To keep plants productive, remove old leaves and trim runners if you want bigger berries. Adding a layer of mulch also keeps the fruit clean and prevents soil from splashing onto them. With proper care, strawberry plants can provide sweet and juicy berries throughout the summer. 2. Watermelon is the ultimate summer fruit, and surprisingly, it can also be grown at home with the right space and sunlight. These plants love warm temperatures and full sun, so plant them in an area that receives plenty of light throughout the day. Watermelons grow on long vines, which means they need space to spread, although smaller varieties can also be trained on trellises. Start with rich soil mixed with compost or organic fertilizer to give the plant strong growth. Water the plants deeply but less frequently to encourage deep roots. As the plant grows, large yellow flowers will appear, which later develop into baby watermelons. To grow sweeter fruits, reduce watering slightly once the fruits begin to mature. This helps concentrate the sugars inside the melon. Supporting the fruit with small nets or cloth slings can also prevent damage when growing them on trellises. With patience and warm weather, watermelon plants reward you with refreshing, juicy fruits that taste far better than store-bought ones. 3. Mango trees are famous for their sweet, tropical fruits, and many gardeners believe they require large farms to grow. However, dwarf mango varieties can grow successfully in containers or small home gardens. These trees love warm climates and need plenty of sunlight to thrive. Choose a large container with good drainage and fill it with nutrient-rich soil mixed with compost. Young mango trees need regular watering, especially during hot weather, but the soil should not stay waterlogged. Over time, the tree develops strong branches and glossy green leaves. With proper care and fertilization, mango trees begin flowering during the warm season. Small mango fruits then appear and slowly grow larger over several weeks. Pruning helps control the size of the tree and encourages more fruit production. Mango trees may take a little patience compared to smaller plants, but once they start producing fruit, they can give delicious harvests for many years. 4. Lemon trees are among the most popular fruit plants for home gardens because they are easy to grow and highly productive. They can grow in both garden soil and large containers, making them ideal for patios and terraces. Lemon trees prefer full sunlight and well-draining soil to grow healthy and strong. Water the plant regularly, but allow the soil to dry slightly between watering. This prevents root problems and keeps the tree healthy. Lemon trees produce fragrant white flowers that not only smell amazing, but also attract pollinators. After flowering, small green lemons begin to form and gradually grow bigger. With proper sunlight and feeding, the tree can produce fruit several times a year. Pruning dry branches and removing weak growth helps improve air circulation and fruit production. Having a lemon tree at home means you always have fresh lemons for cooking, drinks, and natural remedies, making it one of the most useful plants in a home garden. 5. Grape are beautiful climbing plants that can transform a simple garden space into a productive fruit area. These vines grow quickly and can be trained along trellises, fences, or pergolas, creating both shade and fruit. Grapes require plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to grow properly. When planting, grapes provide a strong support structure so the vines can climb and spread. As the plant grows, regular pruning becomes important because grapes produce fruit on new growth. Removing extra branches helps the plant focus its energy on fruit production. During the growing season, clusters of small green grapes begin forming. Over time, these clusters become larger and change color depending on the variety. Proper watering and occasional fertilizing help improve fruit size and sweetness. Once established, grapevines can produce fruit for many years. With the right care and pruning, your garden can provide fresh grape harvests every summer. 6. Guava is a hardy fruit tree that grows extremely well in warm climates. It is popular among home gardeners because it grows quickly and starts producing fruit at a relatively young age. Guava trees can grow in the ground or in large containers if space is limited. These trees prefer full sunlight and well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Regular watering helps young plants establish strong roots, but mature trees can tolerate short, dry periods. Guava trees produce small white flowers that later develop into round or oval fruits. The fruits slowly change color as they ripen and release a sweet tropical fragrance when ready to harvest. Pruning helps control the tree's size and encourages more branching, which leads to better fruit production. Guava fruits are not only delicious, but also very nutritious. Growing a guava tree at home means you can enjoy fresh fruits straight from the tree during the summer season. 7. Papaya is one of the fastest growing fruit plants you can add to a home garden. In warm climates, papaya plants grow quickly and can start producing fruit within a year. The plant has a tall, single stem with large tropical leaves that give your garden a unique look. Papayas love warm temperatures, full sunlight, and rich soil. Plant them in well-drained soil and water regularly, especially during hot weather. As the plant grows taller, flowers begin to form along the trunk. These flowers later turn into long green papaya fruits. Papaya fruits gradually grow larger and change color when they ripen. Providing organic fertilizer helps improve fruit size and overall plant health. Removing weak or damaged leaves also keeps the plants. Because papaya plants grow quickly and produce fruit in a short time, they are perfect for gardeners who want fast results and a steady supply of tropical fruit. 8. Pomegranate trees are beautiful and highly productive fruit plants that can grow easily in home gardens. They are well known for their bright red fruits filled with juicy seeds. These trees are also very drought tolerant once established, which makes them suitable for warm regions. Pomegranate plants prefer full sunlight and well-drained soil. They can grow as small trees or shrubs and can also be grown in large containers. During the growing season, the tree produces bright orange-red flowers that attract pollinators. After pollination, round fruits begin to develop and slowly grow larger over time. The fruits take several months to mature, but the reward is sweet, nutrient-rich seeds packed inside a thick skin. Pruning helps maintain a healthy shape and improves airflow within the plant. With the right care and sunlight, a pomegranate tree can provide beautiful flowers and delicious fruit year after year. 9. Muskmelon, also known as cantaloupe, is another refreshing summer fruit that grows well in home gardens. Like watermelon, muskmelon plants grow on spreading vines and require warm weather and full sunlight. They grow best in loose, fertile soil that drains well. Start by planting seeds directly in the soil once temperatures become warm. Water the plants regularly but avoid overwatering. As the vines grow, yellow flowers appear, which later develop into small melons. As the fruits grow larger, they develop a textured outer skin and a sweet fragrance when nearing ripeness. To improve fruit quality, gardeners often remove extra fruits so the plant focuses energy on fewer but larger melons. Muskmelons grow relatively quickly and are perfect for summer harvesting. The sweet, aromatic flesh makes them a favorite fruit for fresh eating during hot days. 10. Peach trees can also be grown successfully in home gardens, especially dwarf varieties designed for small spaces. These trees produce soft, juicy fruits that are loved around the world. Peach trees require plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to grow properly. Plant the tree in a location where it receives full sun throughout the day. Regular watering helps the tree establish strong roots during its early growth stages. In spring, peach trees produce beautiful pink blossoms that later develop into small fruits. As the fruits grow larger, thinning them helps improve their size and quality. Removing some young fruits allows the remaining peaches to develop better flavor and sweetness. With proper pruning and care, peach trees can remain productive for many years. Growing your own peaches at home allows you to enjoy fresh, sweet fruit straight from the tree every summer.